Today we're checking out these handy 3D printed adapters from Buckeye Stargazer. Hey folks, my name's Steve and welcome to Scotia Astro. 3D printing has revolutionised the astrophotography industry, and over the past few years I've seen loads of new and exciting products pop up in the market. My favourite collections by far though are a group of adapters from Buckeye Stargazer who sell direct to customers throughout an online store, but they also partner with many of your favourite Astro companies around the world. I'll leave links to Buckeye's shop in the description below the video, so you can go check that out if you're interested. They have a huge range of products available, but today I'm going to focus on their dovetail saddles and their plate adapters. As you all know, a dedicated Astro rig includes a range of components, wires and connections, and sometimes it can be hard to find a clean and efficient way of mounting all your gear. I've collected a range of these adapters, including brackets for my Pegasus power boxes, Vixen and Losmandy dovetail clamps, and mounting plates for my Mini PCs. I found them to be reliable, versatile and well priced, so let's dive into that in more detail. The thing I love about these products is you can mix and match them to suit your setup. For example, I can have my Mini PC adapter plate connected to a dovetail clamp, but if my needs change I can quickly swap this out and connect it to one of the handy tripod clamps. The 3D printed parts are designed to work together to provide a solid and seamless connection for all your Astro accessories, so it's a simple but highly effective system. I've ran these components on rigs throughout the year, in frigid winter nights and even during summer days as part of my solar setups. They've been subjected to several hours of dew and daylight, and not one of them has failed or degraded, so I'm happy to report I found them highly reliable. I did have a previous issue when one of the Losmandy clamps arrived with a screw snapped off, which was probably damaged in transit, so it's not a quality control issue, but my UK dealer sorted that immediately and they sent me a replacement. When it comes to price, I think they're really reasonable, especially when you consider you can use many of their products in multiple ways. If you're ordering direct from Buckeye's site and you're not in the US, then you'll have extra shipping costs to factor in, but I've only ordered them from my preferred UK dealer First Light Optics, so I can't vouch from ordering directly from Buckeye's site. If you're looking for a clean and tidy way to mount your Astro gear, then I'd highly recommend you check out the folks over at Buckeye Stargazer. They have solutions for the most popular components, but also some rather obscure ones, so you'll likely find the solution you need. If not, I see from their website that Joel, the owner of Buckeye, is open to discussions on specific setups, so it looks like there's always a solution available. So that's my quick look at these 3D printed adapters from Buckeye Stargazer. Do you use any 3D printed parts in your setups, or have you produced any of your own? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. Clear skies to you all.